Hello everyone, welcome to Kiru's online lectures. Myself, Roshni, and today we are starting with picture-based question series for CBSE Class 10. Today we'll begin with the chapter The Rise of Nationalism in Europe. In this picture-based question series, we are going to cover the name or the title of the picture, the background, the message and significance that we get from the picture, the chapter it is from, and a set of questions as well. Today we are going to discuss this image. It is Germania, that is allegory of Germany, and allegory means the nations which were portrayed using female figures by romantic period artists. Why did they do so? They personified the nation, that is, they created allegory to influence the minds of people, to bring into their heads the idea of liberty, freedom, justice, and equality. This particular painting was prepared by the artist Philip White in 1848, and he prepared it on a cotton banner. What is the significance of preparing it on a cotton banner? We are going to see it ahead. We start with the discussion of different symbols in this image and their significance. First, the crown of oak leaves. It represents heroism. Next, the banner has three prominent colors: black, red and yellow. It was the flag of liberal nationalists of 1848 and even banned by the Dukes of German states. If you are aware, this is also the German flag today. Next, the shackles over here are unfettered, or it is a broken chain. It is thus symbol of freedom. The sword over here is held upright, meaning ready to attack for defense, leadership and protection. Also, the breastplate over here has eagles and hence symbolic of strength. The olive branch held along with the sword is symbolic of peace. And if you carefully notice the background, it has sun rays that represents new beginning. In fact, Philip White had earlier made this allegory in 1836, and that time he had a crown in the place of shackles. The reason was the crown at foot represented end of autocratic monarchical rule. As mentioned earlier that the figure of Germania was prepared by Philip White on a cotton banner, the significance of having it on a cotton banner was that it was meant to hang from the ceiling of Church St. Paul, where the Frankfurt Parliament was convened in March 1848. This is again another image of Germania on guard at the river Rhine, and this was given by the artist or painter Lorenz Classen in 1860. The significance of having it on river Rhine is the depiction of recapturing French occupied territories across the river Rhine by Napoleon. The inscription on Germania's sword reads, "The German sword protects the German Rhine." Now students, I would request you to take a moment, pause the video and try answering these questions. The answers to these questions will be revealed in our next video. Thank you. Keep watching and keep sharing.